Howdy, howdy. It's Jerry again, and my son, Brendan.
Howdy, howdy.
And we like to go out flying together, and we have two airplanes. We have the Flyke, which is a powered paraglider, and we also have the Delta, a Sabre Trike. And unfortunately, we haven't been able to take both planes out with us at the same time because we just have a truck, and I don't have any room on my property for a trailer. So we kind of tried to figure out a way we could transport both of the flying machines in the back of a pickup truck. So we got the Flyke up there. I got that up all by myself using these ramps. Okay, we have ramps that go up there, and this is actually down when we push the Flyke up on top of there. Then we take the ramps down, and then we put this in there to support the rest of the Flyke. Now inside the bed of the truck, we got a power winch, and that makes it easier to bring the Delta up into the bed. This is the very first time we've tried this, and the clearance is going to be real close. We may not have enough clearance for the instrument pod to get underneath the tire, so we're just going to have to see how it works. This is the very first time we've tried this, so here we go. Clearance.
Wrong way.
Remember, I told you we were going to be close. We're within about a ½ inch.
Almost there. Oh, the Flyke wheel.
Huh?
Flyke wheel. It's tied down.
Just about there. Yeah.
And we're there.
Yeah! Yeah! We got 2 ultralights in the back of a pickup truck. Let's go fly!